totally about to hit that car. Oh.
I heard you say, oh, take me out LA, hold me close now, my legs are steady, catch me now, now that I'm falling for your world and all that we are. Touch, feel, we're taking, 'cause the fire in your eyes sets me alight.
CT92DX.
Hold me close now, till my legs are steady. Catch me now, now that
Weekday afternoons, it's the Live at 5 with DJ Valentine mixing live from the Primavera Online Mix Room. Tune in each day for the hottest music commercial free for an hour. Brought to you by Primavera.
They found somebody warm and they pasted Milani Kai's.
I've got the solution, Eric Von Asler.
Oh, Sean.
I'm on between. I'm kind of the bridge guy between you and.
What do you want, for like 8 minutes?
Hey, there's 25 minutes of audio clips. By the way, we'll be playing some today. But I am the middle guy. I'll come down and I'll change it.
Will you do that? Are you willing to do that? Are you that wedded?
By the way, if you would like to have a thermostat that anybody can control, get the.
A few moments later.
Coming soon. Wash away the rain.
It's a blood moon, too.
I know it's a blood beaver moon, you shock jock. I get it.
That's right.
You can take the
Shock out of the jock.
but you can't take the jock out of the shock. That's what it is. Yes, absolutely.
Give him a shock.
See again. Give him an inch. He'll shock for a mile.
Or two.
So that beaver moon, man. I saw it. I saw pictures of it online. It looked pretty cool, but I was not up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, you set your alarm?
It woke me up.
I heard my really.
Yeah, it was chewing
I'm
on
so
wood.
attuned to the earth.
Well, you're a woman, and the whole
Yeah, I
Luna.
started,
You started your thing.
Mm-hmm.
Started your
moon.
started your beaver moon.
Whoa! I'm like shot up out of it. All right, moon, I'm up.
My son went and bought film for a film camera.
From super soft viscose from highly sustainable bamboo. Cozy Earth sheets are fabulously soft, totally luxurious, and very breathable. They're also temperature regulating, so you sleep comfy all year round. And Cozy Earth is the brand that
Okay, Presto.